So paying using your Flywire is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to show you guys how you guys can use Flywire to pay. So for that, you have to be at the Flywire's website, and as you guys can see, I'm at their homepage. You need to create an account first. If you don't have any account, you need to merge your bank account with it as well. After that, you have to be at their home website, and here you just have to click on this pairs. And what it will do is it will take us to this page, which will show us all the pairs or all the institutes that accepts the payment from Flywire. Now, as you guys can see, you just have to select your institute. So let's talk about what the Flywire is. Flywire is a payment or banking system that you can use or used by students for their institution payment for the universities, their schools or colleges. You just need to find your institute from here. So if I click on that, I will be able to find the list. Now here you just have to find your college or your institute in which you want to make a payment. After that, you have to select and continue it. What it will do is it will let you set up the whole thing. You just need to set up your whole thing, and then you will be able to pay using the Flywire. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.